Hey, it's the 4th of July weekend. Everybody is putting videos out on making ribs, making pulled pork, making brisket, all that fancy stuff. Look it's 4th of July weekend and I want to make some barbecued chicken. Really simple, really fast. I'm going to use pecan hardwood chunks. I put a couple in the top and I put a couple in the basket down below. And of course, I love to use Royal Oak hardwood lump, charcoal. This thing's ready to go. I lit the cube. The cube's fire starter is in there. You can see the flame coming out a little bit, and we're ready to go. So we're gonna shut this down. And as soon as I lock them down and close the lid, the fan is gonna start. And the fan is going to move the air up through that charcoal, and we're going to bring this baby up to about 275 degrees in no more than 5 minutes. All right, well, we're up to temperature. We're going to put the chicken on. I'm not going to season it ahead of time. I'll just season it once I get it on there. So that's it. We're going to let that sit now. We're going to see how long it takes. Well, it's been on about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to move them up to the second rack. Whoa. And with this grill, you have 4 options for probes, right? They got a real nice hole you can slide it through so that it doesn't get pinched when you close the lid. Just pull that on through like that. And we're going to put that in this one here. Something like that. Well, the chicken's done. I want to show you this. This is my thermopen, and I'm telling you, this is a great little temperature probe. I know I have them on the Masterbuilt in those probes there, but I always like to double check it with the thermopen. These chickens have a skin that it's crispy. The underside is fine. We're going to take them off. Juicy as can be. And if we check it, it's going to read higher than some of you would like it. Yeah, okay, 174. They say you can take it off at 165. I never do. I always go 175, even 180. 185 is fine. All right, so that cook took an hour, just over an hour. Let's see how much charcoal we used for that little bit. Well, I think you can see it. It's pretty much right up at the top, give or take, right? Didn't go down much at all. Masterbuilt Gravity 800. I love this grill. Look at that chicken. If you want to make a quick meal, I had this start to finish in an hour. Not bad for charcoal, right? These chicken quarters are grilled to perfection. Nice and crispy skin, cooked on the inside, tender and juicy. Perfect. With that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.